What is going on, guys? Today we are rebuilding and turning the key on this Z. So we are getting the engine all put back together, getting it in the Z, and we're getting it to running. You're going to hear the Z run on this episode. Let's get into it. Between the last episode and this episode, a new part showed up, which is also the final part to this entire project. We got our Z1 Y pipe. It is not enough of a part to actually do a full unboxing for, so I'm just going to do it in this video real quick. It comes as 3 pieces, so here's 2 of them. The third one looks just like this one, but for the other side. It is really nicely done, actually. It is a stainless steel, and let me pull this out of the bag for you. Stainless steel, beautiful little Z1 there for you, and this is going to allow for us to easily get everything lined up with our exhaust. So I'm pretty excited. This looks really nice. The welds look good. Good job to Z1 coming in with a clutch part, which is going to be awesome. I'm very excited. It also comes with all the gaskets and bolts you're going to need. So that's it on this piece. That's all I got. Now that we covered the new part, let's get into the build. I seem to have misplaced my my bearings. Yikes. So we got the bearings. Now we got to drive all the way home, and we are going to get started on putting this engine together. Let's do it.
Up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported southbound on Highway 99.
016, 1043 with the pursuit. Sometimes we find out who we are, be the change or hit the bottom, hit it hard. We have a choice, yeah, we can take the power away and turn it into something to believe in, believe in. It's up to you, it's up to you. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, sending these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier. I'm not the only one who's inspired. We're gonna turn these dreams into an empire, empire. The pain into an empire, empire. The rage into an empire, empire. We're gonna build it up, gonna build it up, empire. Won't see us walking away, 'cause now we made it this far. We ain't ashamed of who we are. We made a choice, this army's here to stay. And trust me, this is something to believe in, achieve it. It's up to you, it's up to you. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, sending these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier. I'm not the only one who's inspired. We're gonna turn these dreams into an empire, empire. The pain into an empire, empire. The rage into an empire, empire. We're gonna build it up, gonna build it up, empire. This is it, it's our time to rise up. No one can stop us, brick by brick. We'll break this wall that's closing in on us. In this moment now, we're proud and we're free and we're brave. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, sending these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier. I'm not the only one who's inspired. We're gonna turn these dreams into an empire, empire. The pain into an empire, empire. The rage into an empire, empire. We're gonna build it up, gonna build it up into an empire, into an empire, into an empire. We're gonna build it up, gonna build it up.
I'm remembering the first time I saw you. It's like you put me in a spell that's voodoo. And now I'm drowning in your love, let's sail away. You got me caught up in a dream vacation. Your heart's an overdrive, my destination. And every time I'm with you, it's like a holiday. We could take back the night with a little more time. Take back the night with the rhythm alright. Take back the night with a little more time. Take back the night with a little more time. And just know whatever you do, I'll be right here waiting for you.
You got it. This baby is ready to go back in the Z. It has been a long journey, but I'm so excited to get this thing back in there, and this is going to be awesome. It looks so good right now. Pretty confident everything is going on so far. I've double checked everything. So we're going to get back in the car, and then
I'll be right here waiting for you.
Zombie rolling structure Z. I hope you are ready to transform into your new life, where you are not a slow boy anymore, but you are fast and mighty, or something like that. Because that very engine shall be fused with you, where you will be one, a driving machine like LBMW, but instead JDM. Our new wheels, nah. The new back wheels came in. They just showed up today, thankfully. It's Friday, and we just got our new wheels in. So we're gonna open these things up. Pretty excited. We only got back wheels because we're gonna be running a pretty fat setup on the back. It's gonna be kind of more like a drag setup. So we're gonna open these up, check them out. Got them from Jegs. So let's take a look and see what we got.
Take back the night with the rhythm all back. Take back the night with a little more time. Take back the night with